Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to make this noir window light photo like this. And could you believe that to create this one you just need one selfie photo and you can transform it into this cinematic look like this. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and you can find it into this Google AI Studio. So if you'd like to try it for free, then don't forget to access this Google AI Studio first with your Google account. And after that, you can simply click this chat with models or this one, try Gemini 3 Flash. Which one do you prefer? And after that, actually, if you are the first time user, it will direct you into this feature. However, since we would like to create or do the photo editing, so you can go to this images category and click this Nano Banana until you see the pop-up information that this Nano Banana is now ready. And after that, you can start to insert the image into the section or upload it. For example, I will choose this one and I will use this prompt. For example, like this, change this picture into a stunning cinematic black and white portrait of a beautiful face peering through a rain-streaked window. And also create it to be dramatic high contrast window. Light cuts across her features and also creating a deep moody shadows. And for the detail, you can try this to be 8K resolution, hyper realistic, photorealistic, and also the shallow depth of field with a creamy bokeh, and also the natural film grain, light leaks, professional graded, sharp details on the eye, authentic moment, and also 35mm film feel and also look like a movie scene. And if you would like to try this prompt, so you can copy it into the description box below. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result, guys. Basically, to generate this picture, it will consume maybe 15 seconds, but it can be also longer than that. So make sure that you have prepared the good connection so this generation process can run smoothly. And this gonna be the result we have now, and it will consume 30 seconds. And also, if you like it, then you can start to download it here. However, you just wait the generation process until this loading symbol is ending. And finally, this picture ready to use. And there you go. This is the picture you have. Isn't that easy, right? So don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.